Hey cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy and this is my channel called Cindy's Success. I'm glad you stopped by. On this channel, I kind of just talk about what I'm doing on WW Blue, what I'm eating. I do a little bit of cook with me videos. Sometimes I do sit down and chat like we're doing today. So I hope you join me and stick around. We're going to talk today about how my challenge for July went. And I'm going to put up in the cards, either side, my July challenge and what that was. And today's video, we're going to talk about how it went. So stick around. So to start this video off, I am going to, and I apologize, I'm using a notebook here just to review what was in the July challenge, but just to kind of recap. So I wanted to walk at least 30 miles in the month of July to raise money for the American Cancer Society, which I actually did accomplish, and I'm really happy with that. I made my monetary donation to them, and I felt really good about that. That was one part of the challenge that I was really excited to do. I was happy I accomplished it. So check. The other thing was, the biggest thing I guess, I was combining low carb, which happened to be Southbeach diet, with WW. And we'll talk about how that went. I also wanted to include some new outdoor activities. I am a big walker. I walk all the time. That's my comfort zone for sure. I do it inside with Leslie Sansone tapes. I do it outside at a park. I do it around my neighborhood. I have done it for years and I love it. I have kind of expanded my 1 mile walk that I did for years. So I walk a lot more miles than that. I was very happy with that. I do also love yoga. I love to bike ride. I love to explore new parks and hike. Because of the weight gain, I haven't really done those things. So my challenge for July was to reincorporate those activities. And we'll talk about how that went. Also meditation. I wanted to incorporate more meditation, which I do on and off, and I love it. But I really wanted to make it a regular kind of thing. So I'm going to say on that, I was mildly successful. I definitely didn't do it every day, but I did do it as often as I thought about doing it. And it was really great. I really want to up that a lot. I'm hoping to shoot for maybe 10 minutes, 5 days a week. So that was mildly successful also. I wanted to lose 8 pounds in the month of July. That, I'm going to tell you right now, did not happen. I believe the first week I might have lost 1 pound. I'm probably going to put that video up in the cards where I talked about week 1. And I apologize, I don't remember. And if I do, I'll look it up and I'll put it down on the screen. But I did not reach the 8 pound goal weight for sure, or a weight loss goal. Okay, so let's talk about what happened. So like I mentioned, I did not reach my 8 pound weight loss goal. I believe I lost 1 pound. I did weigh myself before this video and I'm exactly the same. So I guess that could be a mild success. It definitely wasn't a loss. So if you're one of those really positive people, you will see that as a positive thing or a success, a mild success. I don't feel so great about that. My mind, I guess, is not in the game this time around, this challenge. Like I mentioned in the very beginning of the video, I usually challenge myself. It's usually a 6-month challenge, and I'm pretty successful most of the time. So I don't know where my mindset is. You know, sometimes I don't feel like you can always explain why your mind's not there, but I for sure need that mindset to be successful. So I also, which I was kind of surprised about, but I found it really difficult to combine the Southbeach diet and WW, I found that if I was good with the Southbeach diet part, I wasn't getting enough points for WW, which might not sound like, a big deal, but it kind of is, because then you're feeling deprived, which brings me to another problem I was having, where I was feeling deprived, and I would, being that my mind wasn't in it completely, I would find myself eating at night, snacking. I'm not going to say binging. It definitely wasn't binging, but it was, I'll have a little sweet, even if it's something small, and then I have to have a little something salty. So it was kind of this eating at night, really for no reason except I felt slightly deprived. So that was not successful. Let's see what else. And I apologize, I keep looking at my notes. It's just a lot to kind of remember, so I don't want to forget anything. What else? Let's see. So I did start off, like I said, doing the Southbeach diet, and I felt like I had to incorporate at least one carb a day, because I wasn't getting my points and I was feeling very deprived. So I started off doing that, and I guess my cravings just kind of kicked in once I added a couple carbs back. And as you might have seen from my previous videos of what I eat in a day, I was incorporating carbs. So I was kind of back to the WW piece. And then kind of that, I'm going to say, quotes, cheating at night did not help. I did, as I always do, drank water, did all those things, but it wasn't enough really to lose any significant amount of weight. So I really just wanted to kind of come on here and, full disclosure, tell you it was not generally a success. I had a few small things, like I said, the walking for charity, and drinking my water, and trying out at least to combine the two plans. So it was an experiment, that part, and it did not work. So I won't be doing that again. I just wanted to wrap up this video, and I'm going to say that we're in mid-August when I'm filming this, and I'm going to just kind of stay the course, just kind of keep it simple the next couple of weeks, finishing out the summer. I'm not going to put any weight loss goals right now. I am not going to challenge myself to anything right now. But physically, as I mentioned, I am not feeling great. I'm feeling very uncomfortable. Every activity I do is so much more labored for me. So I know I have to make a change to my health. And I know I've mentioned to you guys in another video that I do suffer from PCOS. And I know I am most successful, even though I've had success with WW, but I'm most successful when I really lower my carb intake. And I'm not talking about vegetables so much, but I am talking about bread, pasta, rice. So I would like to, maybe come September, I haven't decided yet, I am going to follow that plan, probably Southbeach. I think I will feel so much better, and I really want to give my body a chance to kind of cleanse a little bit, and really get rid of that bloat around my belly especially. So I know that will work for me, and so I'm just going to kind of take it easy. I'm still going to do probably one or two more cook with me videos, what I eat in a day. I mean, I generally eat pretty healthy, especially for breakfast and lunch. I feel like those are kind of automated or automatic things that I eat, especially breakfast, because none of us have very much time to create these gourmet breakfasts. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of stick with that, and I will show you guys what I'm cooking, what I'm eating, and then come September, I'm gonna sit down with you guys again, and I'm gonna share with you, I'm gonna work it all out, decide what I wanna do, and I hope you guys join me. That would be really great if we could really support each other. That would be awesome. So I would love if you commented below. Let me know if you have any experience with Southbeach diet. if you're someone who suffers from PCOS, and how it helped you or didn't help you in your weight loss journey. I would love to hear about it. So please comment below. And also, if you want to join me for those cook with me videos, or what I eat in a day, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you can see when I upload videos. And check me out on Instagram at Cindy's_success. And over there, I usually post a little photo of the upcoming video that I have coming up. And I typically post my videos on Monday mornings around 8 o'clock. So check me out on Instagram and you'll see a little preview. And I hope you stick with me. I hope you join me in this weight loss journey. If you enjoy cooking, I'd love to hear that too. So I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.